Incredible level of work. The top layer off the board is removed. Roof insulation with special foam. Production of fabric blanks using a press. The process of making matches out of bamboo. Such an unusual but productive way to putty walls. What do you think of this level of forklift ownership? You can see that the man is a professional. Another manufacturing process, this time of making perfect spheres out of stone. Clearing snow from the roof with special equipment. Leveling with a construction lacer. Fast and high quality. Excellent work. Creating a masonry effect helps to save the budget. This is what cleaning the escalator looks like. Incredible teamwork. Handmade and professional work to create dishes from clay. Opening a beer keg. You need to have the necessary tools and knowledge. whole new level of work. A professional gardener's job. It turns out perfect. Varnish coating of wood. Application of hot resin. It eliminates cracks and repels water. Transporting the styrofoam. It looks intimidating, but it's very lightweight. Quick assembly process of a construction meter. Don't worry, everything is under control. The machine works at a fixed height. Amazing! Quick way to open boxes with air. Welding of metal products. It looks beautiful.